So it's a beautiful day, another day. We are going to Kumasi. Arama Kotaniti, she's going to cut her hair. She's losing all her edges. It was so good. So we dey go Kumasi come, okay? The latest grandmothers in town. You see the Minyanka de Biatea na Mayeno. So currently we are at Atonsu. Yeah, she's doing her hair at Atonsu. And then we went to Central Market before coming here. I couldn't vlog because I have been sick. It started after I last spoke with you. So when we got to the Dubai Mall, I couldn't vlog because I wasn't well. But then for the love of family, I still had to follow her here. And since we came, I've been struggling to vomit, but I feel better now. Hi, good morning. This is another day. I'm going to meet my mother. Okay, so I'm going to meet my mother. She's not in Bekwai. She went to visit one of my cousins in Kumasi, but then she's coming here for somebody's 1-year anniversary. So I'm going to meet her home. If she's comfortable, she will say hi. If not, then that will be it. Okay? All the towns in the Ashanti region, Bekwai is among one of the top towns with better road system. Yes, the main road that leads Hanyang Kwanta to Cape Coast, Yamransa, Asimfosu and the rest, the main stretch is very bad. Yeah, it's bad. But Bekwai Township, proper Bekwai Township, it is the best too. I don't know about your village. I don't know about your city. I don't know about your town. But hey, Bekwai Township, we have the best of road system. Look, almost every part of Bekwai is like this. Yeah, it's a new day and a beautiful morning, of course. I'm going to the hospital. I'm going for one of my usual checkups. I've not been to the Bekwai hospital in years, not a while, over 15 years. This is my first time accessing the facility. It is now a municipal hospital. I'll show you around. Guys, you are invited. Yes, I am eating ampesi with Kobe stew made by Eno. Okay, so I told you that I am coming to do omugo. Trust me, I am the worst person for this exercise. So since I came, Rama doesn't sleep with us, but guys, after Father, I commit my spirit and soul unto you as I sleep. I don't hear anything again until the next morning, guys. When she was taking the feelings, guys, I think this morning, and I'm sorry, so it was almost 6 a.m. that I helped. Okay, I came here because this zone, I learned it rain. I didn't hear I didn't hear anything about the rains until I stepped out this morning. That's when I say, we see the top 9:33 on my sofa. Madam, and so with this information, who will invite me to come and look after her when she gives birth? Okay, so on a more serious note, I am happy I came home, but that duty needed. I have failed. I'll give myself F9. I'll give myself F9, but then when we go to Koforedia, you know me, I'll have A1, 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 A1. Look at her. Guys, look at her. She's eating, no, but this is how she eats. Hello. Hi, good morning. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, today is Tuesday. For nature and baby sapon, I have no contract, but this girl. Nature, you wipe a brown and fan paper, no? Auntie Chopkiss. See, Auntie. How? You. Auntie Chopkiss. Say, Auntie. Please take care. I love you. Auntie and Makachan, I love you. Look at sister lady. They were few road. Let me update you small. Yesterday, next time you that's an in white too. Any morning I white. Can I nothing with you? Okay, so yesterday one woman was to come and braid her hair for us, but she disappointed us. That is why I have it like this. Let me update you. I told you that I'm coming here to do omugo. As for caring for the baby, dear guys, I am not. I'm not good. Even this hand. This hand is paining me. The head. The baby is not too big, but then the head is a head. The head. Or a bigger chair, mammy. So I said, Mammy, so I did now, or Mammy, so I say, may what tell me, Nammy will be there. Oh, the assassin may hand just or no, now, or your nurse, I'm hospital or shame. It's Mammy, so I didn't be as a mad did. Who said a beer maker? So, guys, before I was distracted, I was telling you the truth. I'm not good at it. You carry her small, this hand will be paining you. And the girl too, she doesn't sleep in the afternoon. She will sleep after 4 p.m. So between 12 and 4 p.m. you have to be hand carrying her. So I opted to iron their how do you say it, after laundry? Yeah, I opted to do the ironing. So this is it. I have done the ironing. That is my widow's mite.